This is what happened in today's vlog.
Yeah, we headed out, maybe on a Tuesday. Gotta tell you all about my day. When there's an event, I keep that content. You know I stay with it. Maybe makeup or a date night. Get the house clean, take a flight. It don't matter cause I need you to.
Hey guys, I am back. This is another vlog. I'm gonna try this again, take 2. All the other vlogs that I did, girl, y'all, on the new camera. I'm still learning this new camera. I'm trying to push it back. I don't want to be too close. It didn't format to my SD card. So hopefully this time when I take y'all with me, because I got to go to the grocery store, I got to go to PetSmart, pick up my dog some food, and I think that's pretty much it, because that's what I'm gonna do, because I do have to come back and I got another order that I'm trying to get done. So yeah, so let me go ahead and show y'all my outfit of the day. Y'all, something simple, what I always wear when I'm going out to be comfortable. So I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see, okay? All right, I don't know if y'all can see me. Oh, it's blurred. Can you see? There you go. Okay, I'm gonna put it up. Step back. Let me put this mirror out. Okay, guys. What I have on, watch out, Caesar. What I have on is these jogging pants are from Shein. Take this out my pocket because I found my glasses. These jogging pants are from Shein. I was showing y'all, well, I'm gonna show y'all my Shein haul. I think this is before this vlog. Yeah, I got these jogging pants from Shein. These sneakers I had forever. I think I got those from an outlet, a Nike outlet. And this shirt right here, I had it for a long time. I got it from Walmart for years. So yeah, I just threw something on right quick. That's it. I'm not dressing up. I'm getting ready to put me some earrings in my ears that I got from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna put them on in a few minutes and I can show y'all guys. But yeah, I'm finna put y'all in the car. I got something. Let me show y'all what I brought. I think I showed y'all this already. I'm gonna turn this around so y'all can see. Okay. Well, let me turn it around. I'm gonna get used to this. This right here is what I'm gonna put in the car, so it can so my camera can sit on top of it so it won't hit the window, because the other one, the mount that I have in there is too tall. So yeah. So let me go ahead and get out of here, guys, so I can go grocery shop because I want to be finished. It's 9:28 and it is January the 6th. So let me go ahead and get this done and go about my day. I'll talk to y'all soon. All right, guys, y'all up here. I hope y'all can see me. I hope y'all can. So let me, yeah, I'm gonna try. They said it worked, so we gonna try this. Hold on, let me get something. I gotta get out of the car for a second. All right, let me see if I can go. See if I'm a good driver. Go around my husband's car. Oh no, I'm gonna hit them bushes. Will I hit it? Oh no, I can't do this. Hold on, y'all. I gotta move his car. I tell you.
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so scared of real love. Cause you've been.
I don't know why I keep cutting off. I got to figure out why I keep cutting off. It's irritating me. So let me go ahead and do this right here, because this It seemed like it was easier to vlog on my doggone phone than on this daggone camera, but let me go ahead. I just got to get adjusted to it. But let me go in here and get this done, okay? See y'all later.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All that time, oh, you get what I'm trying to say. 'Cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look. But it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la.
Hello, guys. Let me cut this TV down. Oh, that's the remote. Hey, guys. Let's see if I can get in some lighting. There I am. I just want to tell y'all guys that I showed some pots in at the time, but my daughter and her friend was in here talking, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a couple, you know, the ones that I got. And this is the pot set right here. Let me turn it around. Right here. I love this color, and it's good quality. And I think it's from, what's her name? Let me get the box, y'all. Hold on. Let me get the box. Yeah. It's by Drew Barrymore. Let me show you the box. Hold on, guys. Yeah, it's by Drew Barrymore, and that's the box, the pots that I got. It is a 12-piece ceramic non-stick cookware. I heard it was some good cookware, and I had to bite the bullet and go ahead and get some pots because our pots and pans are done for. And then I'm gonna go bite the bullet later on and get some. Hold on, let me turn around. Yeah, I'm gonna bite the bullet later on and get some, like, what is it? Muffin pans, pizza pans, all that stuff, the non-stick ones that don't rust. You get these pans, they say that they don't rust, and they do. And I can't stand that. We don't have these pans forever, so I got rid of a lot of them. So I'm going through my pots and pans now and get rid of them and go ahead and buy it and get it over with. So this will last us for a while. And it says oven safe up to 500, including the lids. Compatible to stove tops, including, non-toxic ceramic coating, healthy cooking, and it's called Beautiful by Drew Barrymore. They had a 20-piece one, But I really thought that this thing was $89. But it would equal to, I think it was $100 some. So which that's still not bad, but still. I really thought, because they probably had it in the wrong place. But yeah, that's the only reason I got it. But I got it, it's done. I'm getting ready to go upstairs and get myself started. Then I went by I didn't show y'all everything that I got, so I'm gonna show you what my Big Lots haul. Hold on one second. I got I went to Big Lots because I had to pick up some containers to go under the things to organize my office, y'all. And then what else did I do? I put the groceries up, and yeah, I was just trying to get the groceries put up. But anyway, and I still got laundry to do. I got a lot of stuff to do. So if I come back on, I'll come back on in the midst of everything. But if I don't, well, let me go ahead and show you. I'm just all over the place, y'all. Forgive me. I'm tired. Remember I told y'all, well, I didn't tell y'all because I was showing y'all some stuff that I got from Ross, and my, of course I told you my camera wasn't recording. So I'm going to check and see if this camera recording now. I hope so. So yeah, I got me some, let me turn it around. I got me some gnome things for Valentine's Day to put in my kitchen, and little decorations to put around the house. Just to be festive. Not a lot. I got from Big Lots, and aren't these things cute, y'all? That is so cute. And then I got these right here as well. It's got my dog on it. Caesar, you see yourself? You see you? Yeah, that's you. There ain't no food. Yeah, so that's what I got, and these are the what is these things called? Totes. Y'all, my mind tired. I got some totes for upstairs. Like I'm gonna stack them kind of like where I got my stuff stacked over there. And guys, I did show y'all in the other video that how I organize everything for my business. I got everything for the 4-ounce jars to the 8-ounce. Got everything in its place. And then I organize all this right here. So y'all guys can see that. My gloves, the spoons and stuff that I use, the give to the customers. These are the spoons that I use to. Yeah, I don't want to even talk about it, guys, because and now I keep cutting off. So I got to find out about that. See why I keep cutting off. Okay, I'm gonna go. I think they say so you can have long recordings. So I'm gonna go to this guy thing on YouTube and see how I can do that. But anyway, guys, let me get off here. Let me go ahead and start my laundry. If I come back on, I come back on. If not, I'll see y'all in another vlog. Okay? All right. I love y'all.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me? Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. Come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, knowing I don't know, and so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? Treasure buried deeper with each loss, so filled with grief and catastrophic thoughts. Insecurity, distorted flaws, it all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure.
Hey guys, it is, what time is it? Oh my God, what time is it? I think it's almost about 7 o'clock, and I've been on the go all day washing clothes, doing laundry, doing what I need to do. And I did show y'all a clip where I was cooking and everything. I had to dye my daughter's hair. Yeah. And now I am, I did get some packaging from Amazon. And it's one of the tripods that, I think Miss Chelsea, yeah, she was talking about it, and everybody been raving about it. So I'm going to try it. So I'm going to show y'all the tripod, because y'all probably already saw it already, but I'm getting ready to show y'all now. So hold on, guys. Okay, this is the tripod. Right here. This is the tripod. Yeah, I didn't take it out yet, but I'll show y'all tomorrow. But I am tired because I'm about to end this vlog here. And then I got this right here. It's a microphone. I got this microphone. It's a Movo. I got this microphone because of the other camera, but I will try it on this one as well. But I just want, because it gives you free, hands. You don't have to, if you ain't too far from the camera, you want to walk around or whatever, you got some hands-free, the wireless microphone. So, yeah, guys, I just want to show y'all guys that. That just came in earlier today. So, yeah, I just want to, come on, focus. I just want to tell y'all I'm going to end this vlog here. Now, so I don't know what I'm going to add in or whatever, but right now I'm ending the vlog today because I'm getting ready to go to bed. I am tired. Y'all can see it in my eyes. And if I start anything tomorrow, I will bring y'all back. If not, I'll start the vlog another day. But anyway, guys, let me go ahead and get ready to take my shower. I'm getting ready to go to bed. And y'all know when there's an event, I got some content. I love you guys. And I'm trying to up my game in my doing my YouTube, and my goal is to do better this year, be consistent. And yeah, I know it's about being consistent, y'all, but you got to get people to love what you do and engage what you're talking about. I love to show people beauty products. I love to show people come to work with me today, what I do at my business. I love to share things that I buy and stuff like that. I love to show people how I clean and I decorate. So it's so much to me. So I hope I catch an audience that love me for me. And first of all and foremost, I love the Lord. And the Lord is the one that runs this channel. So, and he helps me do what I got to do and follow him, okay? So guys, I just want to end it here. I'm rambling right now, but I love y'all and I appreciate all the support, and I'll see y'all another time. Hey guys. Hello. What time is it? It is 4:49. I'm just starting this vlog because I've been kind of busy all day. I had to run out and stuff. So, and had to cook dinner and all this stuff. So my day been kind of full. But this is the most time I can get free to come and hush. I'm on the vlog. Trying to talk here. Anywho. I just want to come up here and show y'all what I got to go for, to put my shea butters and all that stuff in, because I get tired of putting it inside of my refrigerator. So I brought this wine, what is it called? A wine fridge. Caesar, if you don't hush. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all guys how it look. Okay? This is it right here. So I'm getting ready to open it so y'all can let y'all guys see. I'm gonna do the unboxing. Let me step back so y'all can get a good clear of it. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of it, okay? It just came in this big old gigantic box. So let me move this and let y'all guys see, okay? Hold on. I don't know if it's gonna cut off with recording. Let's see. All right. Can you see? Okay. Let me turn it around. I need to go get my... That's good enough right there. And there it is. So I don't need no big fridge right now. So this can fit in the corner over here. Oh, let's pull this open. Is it still recording? Okay. Let's see. It's open on the inside right here. Got the racks. Got the wine. Or whatever. I just bought it because it was the right size. And it was affordable. So let's cut this on and see how it works. Alright, let's go. Let me see where I'm gonna put it at, y'all. Let's turn this off for a minute. Okay, y'all. I got my little new stand that I've been hearing online to get. And I love it. I think I'll show y'all when I got it. So here's the pamphlet. I don't know why it's looking like that. It looks like it's old. But anywho, let's see if I figure out where I'm gonna put this at. Grace right here. Hey, girl. I need to talk to her. First of all, let me wipe this out. I wipe my stuff down. Yeah.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew all this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see.
This camera keep cutting off. I got to figure out because it don't let me record a long time. And I don't know whether I got to change the SD card or whatever. So anybody know how to do this? This is the Sony SV1. So let me know, okay? Leave it in the comment section below. Maybe somebody will respond because I don't know. Alright, so I guess it's, let me see. You can turn it up. Let's see. Oh, look at the light. And then you can turn it up. First you can turn the temperature up. No, I put it up. I'm trying to see, y'all. Do I turn it up? Set the desired temperature by processing the buttons. So what's the desired temperature? So 18 is the highest. Okay. Alright. Well, we'll set it at that for now. We'll read this. I'm gonna read over it. And see if it's too hot. I don't want the stuff to freeze. Alright. So, yeah, guys. This is called the Cool Latron Wine. Let me get the box and see what the name was. Yeah, this is the Cool Latron. It's a 6 bottle. Let me turn it around. This is English. Yeah. Cool Latron 6 bottle wine cellar. And it's freestanding. Capacity 6 bottles. 2.5 fluid ounces. What's it? Thermal electric cooling. Digital temperature control. Celsius or Fahrenheit. Temperature range 46 to 66. And then tempered mirror glass doors, removable shelf, dark interior, soft interior, adjustable level of feet. What? Adjustable levels? Oh, the feet levels? Okay. Advanced heat. Okay. Vibration free. Okay. So, it says it has adjustable feet. So See, no adjustment, see? Oh, is this? Oh, it sits up higher. On one side. Yeah, adjustable. I'll turn them up, but yeah. Alright, so this. Y'all, this already kind of cool in here. So, I'm trying to put the shelving back in here. Let's go. Let's learn. Let's see. Okay, that's one. And then we're going to put the other. Is this like this? I'm going to put them in there right. Oh, okay. I think I am. So that throws, if I want to throw some wine in here, keep it cool, I can do that. Because my, you know, my shea butters and stuff, but I'm not going to do that with the wine. But yeah, I just want to, you know, I can have this whenever I do get rid of and find me somewhere else to store my shea butters, okay? So, but right now, this is it, okay? All right, guys, that is it for that. But I'm getting ready to shut the house down. Okay, guys, it cut off again. Oh, it's irritating me. I can't record a long time. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I have to take it back to somebody. I'm gonna ask my husband where he got it from. But anywho, well, let me get in here and cut everything off downstairs, because we all upstairs right now. I'm about to fix me something to eat because I made some chicken. I'm gonna make me a salad, and that's it. Okay.
Let me go for one day, let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain, always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past, I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain, I wanna lose myself again.